What's up, guys? It's Movie Or here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. Now today's unboxing will be for the sequel to the original, starring Chloe Grace Moretz. And that is for Kick-Ass 2. This is the limited edition Best Buy exclusive 4K SteelBook. And so there's the front, and it's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, and back. If you want to read details and special features, tons of special features. J card. Okay, so there's the front, and then here's the back. Then here's full artwork. And disc 1, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. Disc 2, Blu-ray disc. Then here's the interior artwork. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Kick-Ass 2, the Best Buy exclusive 4K SteelBook. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Is there anything, leave me in the comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite SteelBook release so far. Thank you.